1 mile run. This event tests cardiorespiratory aerobic endurance and the endurance of leg muscles. To improve your 1 mile test, following exercises are recommended. Technical aspect. Running style. Body parts coordination exercise. Chest and head position. Start and finish technique. Strength and endurance. Steady run for 20 minutes. Run, walk, run for 20 minutes. Jogging for 20 minutes. Lunges without weight.